Yeah. Superior Dental Academy.
Eastpoint,
Michigan.
Dirt.
KJ, this that future you buy.
Let's go.
You can keep the late night fast food shit. Retail stressing the counterfeit tips. Working at the mall trying just to get by. Meanwhile your real dreams passing you by. Target name tag, wore my blue vest. Long hours working hard, still feel stressed. But deep down you know you meant for more. Time to open up a brand new door. Walk inside Superior Orthodontics. Now your whole life looking iconic. Hands-on training every single day. Learn real skills the real world way. No for your dad, no wasted years. No sitting stuck while life disappears. 8 short weeks and you career ready. Confidence high and your paycheck steady. This ain't just another job. This should blow up. This your launch, future looking brighter than ever before.
Graduate debt free at Superior Dental Academy. The more you learn, the more you earn. That's the energy. Better than Walmart, better than the mall, better than fast food, working through it all. Now you building something stable for your life. Future looking bright. Hands-on dental and orthodontic school. KJ makes success look cool. Best dental assistant school in Michigan. Yeah, we really changing lives again. 8 short weeks and they help with placement. Whole new future with real advancement in dentistry's an AI-proof lane. People always gonna need human care. At the school you learn by doing. Every week your skills improving. Chairside assisting, smiles transforming. Now your whole future feel important. X-rays, braces, whitening too. Patients smiling back at you. Professional vibe, clean, fresh fit. Now your confidence matching it. See, AI can't replace compassion. Can't calm fears with real interaction. Can't connect with a nervous patient. Human care still runs this nation. You can level up your whole lifestyle. New career with a bigger smile. No more feeling stuck in survival. Now you're moving up with purpose and drive. This ain't just another job. This should blow up. This your launch, future looking brighter than ever before. Graduate debt free at Superior Dental Academy. The more you learn, the more you earn. That's the energy. Better than Walmart, better than Target, better than minimum wage and stress. Now you're stepping into healthcare success and becoming your best. Hands-on dental and orthodontic school. KJ makes success look cool. Best dental assistant school in Michigan. Yeah, we really changing lives again. 8 short weeks and your future different. Job placement help in a new direction. AI-proof career with real protection. Superior Dental Academy. Oh, you deserve more than just getting by. You deserve a future you can feel inside. Real career, real dreams, real life. Now it's your time. Graduate debt free
at Superior Dental Academy. The more you learn, the more you earn. Come build your legacy. Better than the mall and the late night grind. Better than feeling stuck all the time. Now you're building skills nobody can replace. Smiling while you elevate. Hands-on dental and orthodontic school. KJ makes success look cool. Best dental assistant school in Michigan. And we helping dreams begin. 8 short weeks and your whole life change. New confidence and a bigger paycheck. AI-proof future in the dental lane. Superior Dental Academy.